Welcome to Alsap, where technical precision meets a strong focus on quality. Step into our world where every detail matters. Alsap specializes in supplying kits and accessories for the production of truck bodies and trailer technology. We offer our customers convenient online ordering through our e-shop, fast dispatch, and the option to visit our store in person, where we're always happy to advise and help with product selection. Our warehouse and operational facilities cover over 4,000 square meters, and we stock more than 200 types of aluminum profiles in various lengths and surface finishes. We actively monitor trends in logistics and transport to make the process of road freight more efficient. With our product configurators, customers can put together custom-made solutions. We then ensure the complete delivery of all parts according to the exact specifications. Our production facilities are the heart of the company, equipped with advanced technology, CNC machines, aluminum saws, welding stations, and assembly lines, all under one roof. Thanks to our in-house production and precise technical documentation, we deliver reliable solutions tailored to our customers' needs. Our final products speak for themselves. Every detail is carefully checked to meet our customers' expectations and the highest quality standards. Alsap is not just a small business with an online shop. We are a market leader with a wide range of products and extensive processing capabilities. We combine tradition, modern technology, and a passion for perfection. Alsap, your partner in the world of truck bodybuilding.